Hello students, yesterday we have learned about the Cartesian plane and today we will learn how to plot points in the Cartesian plane. So let's move on. This is the Cartesian plane, the coordinate graph you can say. Here this point is origin 0, 0. The horizontal line x-axis, this is x, this one is x dash, then this is y, the vertical line y, y dash, y is above, y dash is below. This origin is denoted by O. So OX consists of positive numbers, OY also consists of positive number, O x dash consists of negative and OY dash consists of negative numbers. So this much thing we have to plot, and we have to plot the numbers at the equal distance in the graph. Now we will start plotting the numbers. So the numbers are written on the top. The first point is A, which is -3, -5. Always remember this ordered pair which denote the coordinate plane, coordinate point, or which denote the coordinate. The first number represent x and second number represent y. Okay, so which means here our x coordinate or epsica is -3. -3, so on x there it is -3. Okay, this point, and then y coordinate or ordinate is -5, so we'll come down -5 here, and then we will point out. So this is the meeting point of this, so this is our point A. Okay, got it? -3 from x side and -5 from y side, and the point where they will meet. Now moving towards point B, given that point B is 2, -4. So 2, that is x here, and -4, down one we will come here. This point will come. So this point is our point B. Then next C point is 1, 2, which means x is 1, y is 2. 1 and y 2 we will take here and it will go here. This is our point C, 1, 2. Okay. Next point is point D, and the coordinates of point D is -6, 0, which means x is -6, y is 0. So this will come this on the line only, -6, 0, that is point D. Now students, what is point E? And tell me where it will lie. Point E is 0, 4. 0 x-axis, 4 y-axis. So it will come on the line y-axis, this point E. Got it? So like this way you have to plot the points on the coordinate plane. I hope you understood how to plot the points in the coordinate plane. Always remember, in the ordered pair of coordinate, the first number represent x coordinate or epsica, and second number represent y coordinate or ordinate. Thank you students.